Hey, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, this is a quick little recap of our unit. We have the retake and review on Monday, and then a review day in class, and then the test is on Wednesday. So I just remind you a couple of things. So on the front of your packet, we're just going to write ourselves a couple of notes. Okay, so solving systems of linear equations. So this is the whole idea here, solving systems. Okay, so we've got 3 ways. Okay, we've got, I'm going to zoom in on this, 3 ways. We've got graphing. We've got substitution. And elimination. Okay, hopefully you're familiar with all of those ways. We're just going to do a quick check in on each of those ways. So with graphing, okay, in all 3 of these methods, the solution is an ordered pair. X, comma, Y. So every single way you do it, you should get an ordered pair. Okay? So with graphing, remember there's 3 different options for graphing as well. Okay? So really quickly, if we look at 2 lines, oops, right there, there's 1 solution. Right here, no solution. And, okay, good, I've just got enough room. Right here, like when you graph them and you recognize, oh, you know what, they have the exact same everything, that's infinitely many solutions. Okay, so that's graphing. Most of the time, okay, almost all of the time, it will look like this, okay? So it's going to look like this where we have 1 solution, okay? But it is good to recognize it could be no solution or infinitely many solutions. Okay. Substitution. Substitution, remember that's the most helpful when we have like y equals 2x plus 2. And then in our second equation, we have something like, I don't know, 3y minus 2x equals 7, okay? So we're going to take this, and we've seen this in class before, and put it in place of the y. Solve for x. And then solve for y. Okay, that's substitution. Okay, that's substitution. Okay, elimination. Very briefly. That's the one we've been doing in class the most recently. Okay, elimination. Okay, with elimination, remember, that's the best way to do it when we have like negative 2x plus 3y equals 6, and we have 2x minus 7y equals 14. Okay, so something like that, that's going to work best for us when we do that using elimination. Remember, that's where we draw the line. Hey, these are opposites, so we add, cancel out, and we just add those together. 4x equals 20. X equals 5, and then plug that back into an equation to get x, or to get y. Sorry, this should have been a y right here. Oh my goodness. Typo. That's a y. That's a y. Y equals 5. Okay, and then plug it back in for y to solve for x. Okay, so with any of these, as you've seen on my videos, it is easy to make silly mistakes. So you got to be careful and practice. That's it. That's the only video for the weekend. There will be videos of the retake reviews. So make sure you're working through those and checking your answers on those. Have a super weekend, and we'll see you Monday.